Custom moldings. It all starts with a specification that comes from the architect, designer, builder, or homeowner, which is then passed along to the custom millwork manufacturer to be produced. At the beginning of this process, a drawing or physical sample of the molding is sent to the manufacturer. The engineering department will take the information provided and produce a computer-generated CAD drawing of the profile. Once all details are finalized and approved, the CAD file will be sent to the tool room where custom tooling is made. When the tool room receives a CAD file, they will start by producing a template made of PVC. This template is made in the reverse, or as it is also referred to as the negative image. The template is then sent to the rough-end room where knife stock is placed in a molder head. That head, along with the template, are put into the grinding machine. As the pen follows the template, a 4mm wheel is used to cut the knife stock, grinding the exact profile into the knives. High-speed steel is the most common material used for knife stock. However, carbide and diamond tooling are sometimes used, depending on the quantity and density of the wood being milled. Any given molding will require 2 or more profile knives in order to produce a finished product. Once these knives are ground, they are then balanced to ensure they are of identical weight. This is a critical step in the process. If the knives are not balanced, it will result in improper milling, causing a ripple effect in the surface of the finished profile. Once this step is complete, the knives are placed back onto the molder head and then finish ground with a 2mm wheel so the knives are as sharp as possible. This results in a superior, quality, smooth finished product. Once the heads are set up, the tool room will then send them to the molder operator. In addition, the PVC template and a drawing of the profile will accompany the molding head as a method of checks and balances to ensure the proper profile is manufactured. From shapers to conventional molders to the most modern technology utilizing high-speed CNC computerized molders, there are various types of machines used to produce lineal moldings. The quick setup CNC molder has a faster setup time with more accuracy, using computerization to locate the proper head placement versus a manual setup used in conventional machines. Generally, the first piece put through the molder is a good usable piece. A molder requires multiple heads to produce a given profile. The top head or profile head will cut the face of the molding, which is what is primarily seen in a finished product. In addition, there may be side heads used to cut the edges of the profile, and a bottom head is used to cut the relief on the backside to help minimize the risk of cupping. Once the heads are set up, the operator will call up the profile from the computer, and at that point, the molder will automatically make the proper adjustments before the milling process begins. The balancing, sharpness, number of knives used, along with the RPM speed of the head and the run speed must all be in sync, as this will significantly impact the finished surface of the molding being produced. Once the molder is ready to go, the pre-dimensioned wood blanks will be fed into the machine, shaping them to the specified profile. From there, the product is packaged, tallied, and sent off to its final destination. From conception to finished product, we hope you've enjoyed this presentation explaining how a molding is made.